For small businesses in India, it's always been about trust, that personal connection.
But how do you keep that connection when your shop moves online? Let's take a look.
Traditional e-commerce can feel a bit cold, right? Not like the warmth of a real market experience.
So a new approach is trying to bridge this gap, bringing the best of both worlds together.
And that's where live commerce comes in. It turns shopping from a transaction into a real conversation.
Okay, so let's dive into how this actually helps build a stronger customer bond.
It starts with simple things, making customers feel seen and valued, just like in a real store.
Live demos really help reduce that uncertainty, answering questions before you even have to ask.
And this really shows the power of showing, not just telling, when you're shopping online.
Okay, so let's see how this goes from a simple interaction to building genuine trust.
Live commerce is just perfect for storytelling, sharing the inspiration and effort behind each product.
That kind of transparency, it builds a powerful emotional connection and some serious customer loyalty. These sessions also build a community, turning shopping into a shared social event.
So the big question is, how do you turn that first connection into long-term loyalty?
Well, the relationship doesn't just stop when the live stream ends. It's all about ongoing engagement.
By offering exclusive deals and staying engaged, businesses create real reasons for customers to return. It's really about nurturing that relationship, beyond just a single transaction.
So ultimately, it helps small businesses connect with customers on a much deeper, more human level.
This shift really makes you wonder about the future of all digital marketplaces, doesn't it?